Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today topic is creating USB bootable using command prompt. Usually we create a bootable USB by softwares or we have to buy a software to create a USB bootable. So today I will be going to show you we can boot a window into USB without any additional software. We can use command prompt commands to boot a USB. So let's start. Open up a command prompt from start menu as an administrator. Let's open a command prompt, run as administrator. Okay. Type in command prompt without space diskpart and press enter. Diskpart without space. Okay. Okay. So the next in the command line windows that opens to determine the USB flash drive number or drive letter. At the command prompt type list space disk. Let's do it. List space disk. Okay. Now the next step at the command prompt type select disk X, where X is the drive number or drive letter of the USB flash drive, and then click enter. Let me show you. Here disk 1 is the USB drive. So let's select disk 1 here. Select disk 1. Hit enter. Okay. Disk 1 is now selected. Type clean and click enter. This command delete all the data from USB flash drive. So let's type clean here. Okay. This pass succeeded in cleaning the disk. To create a new primary partition on the USB flash drive, type create primary partition and then click enter. Let's do it. Create partition primary. Enter. This pass succeeded in creating the specified partition. To select the partition you just created, type select partition 1 and then press enter. Okay, let's do it. Select partition 1. Partition 1 is now selected partition. To format the partition, type format fs is equal to ntfs quick and press enter. Let's do it. Format space fs is equal to ntfs space quick. It will quickly format the partition. Yeah, this part successfully formatted the volume. Type active and click hit enter. ACTIV active and enter. OK. Type exit and then enter. OK. When you finish preparing your custom image, save it to the root of USB flash drive, the image of your Windows. So let's copy my Windows image and paste it in USB flash drive. Now USB is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more interesting stuff.